Dear viewers, welcome again to LR Academy for Competitive Exams. This time to the post on current events relating to the month of January and February 2021. Our next few posts of LR Academy for Competitive Exams will be on Tamil Nadu Geography, Chera and Pandya Dynasties, and NEET Chemistry 25 MCQs with answers. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe our channel by clicking the red button. Do support and motivate us. Kindly forward the channel link to your friends too. Now we move to question number 1. The first match of IPL 2021 is scheduled to be held at which city? I repeat, the first match of IPL 2021 is scheduled to be held at which city? Given options: A. Mohali, Punjab Cricket Association Stadium at Mohali. B. Chinnaswamy Stadium at Bangalore. C. Chepauk Stadium at Chennai. D. Firozshah Kotla Stadium at Delhi. I repeat, the first match of IPL Indian Premier League 2021 cricket tournament is scheduled to be held at which city? The right answer is option C, Chepauk Stadium, Chennai. Moving to question number 2. The final match of Indian Premier League IPL 2021 cricket tournament is scheduled to be held at. The final match of the IPL 2021, the Premier Cricket T20 tournament, is scheduled to be held at. Given options: A. Eden Gardens at Kolkata. B. Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium, Dharamsala. Delhi Cricket Association Stadium, Firozshah Kotla. D. Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. The final match of the IPL 2021 is scheduled to be held at. The right answer is option D, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Moving to question number 3. The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad is renamed as. The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad is renamed as. Given options: A. Mahatma Gandhiji Stadium. B. Narendra Modi Stadium. C. D.Y. Patil Stadium. D. Gavaskar Stadium. The Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad is renamed as. The right answer is option B, Narendra Modi Stadium. Question number 4. PASEX was a naval exercise of Indian Navy with which country? PASEX was a naval exercise of Indian Navy with which country? Given options: A. Sweden. B. Switzerland. C. Norway. D. Germany. PASEX was a naval exercise of India with Indian Navy with Norway Navy. That is option C. PASEX was a joint naval exercise between Indian and Norwegian navies. Moving to question number 5. In which country the military staged a coup and overthrew the government recently? In which country the military staged a coup and overthrew the government recently? Given options: A. New Zealand. B. Myanmar. C. Denmark. D. Malaysia. In which country the military staged a coup and overthrew the government recently? The right answer is option B, Myanmar, also called by the name Burma. Burma, in the country Burma, the military staged a coup and overthrew the elected government. Moving to question number 6. The GDP production for the fiscal year 2021 as predicted by RBI is. The GDP production, gross domestic product production projection for the fiscal year 2021 predicted by RBI is. Given options: A. 10.0, B. 10.5, C. 8.0, D. 9.5. The GDP projection for the fiscal year is 10.5. 10.5. Option B. Moving to question number 7. February 22nd is observed as. February 22nd is observed as. Given options: A. World Environment Day. B. World Thinking Day. C. World Population Day. D. World Senior Citizens Day. February 22nd is World Thinking Day. Option B. Moving to question number 8. As per Government of India scrapping policy, personal vehicles will have to undergo fitness test every. As per Government of India scrapping policy, personal vehicles will have to undergo fitness test every. Given options: A. 15 years. B. 20 years. C. 12 years. D. None of these options. As per Government of India, scrapping policy. Personal vehicles will have to undergo fitness test every 20 years. Every 20 years. For commercial vehicles, the limit is 15 years. For commercial vehicles, it is 15 years. For personal vehicles, it is 20 years. Moving to question number 9. International Mother Language Day, that is IMLD, is observed on. International Mother Language Day is observed on. Given options: A. February 21st, B. February 22nd, C. February 23rd, D. February 28th. International Mother Language Day is observed on February 21st, option A. Moving to question number 10. National Science Day is observed on February 28th to mark the achievement of. National Science Day is observed on February 28th to mark the achievement of. Given options: A. Dr. Chandrasekhar, B. Dr. C.V. Raman, C. Dr. Homi G. Bhabha, D. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. National Science Day is observed on February 28th to mark the achievement of. Option B, Dr. C.V. Raman is the right answer. Option B. Moving to question number 11. The Indian cricket all-rounder who announced his retirement from all forms of cricket in February 2021 was. The Indian cricket all-rounder who announced his retirement from all forms of cricket in February 2021 was. Given options: A. Yusuf Pathan, B. Ravichandran Ashwin, C. Srishant, D. None of these options. The Indian cricket all-rounder who announced his retirement from all forms of cricket in February 2021 was option A. Yusuf Pathan. Question number 12. The Australian Open 2021 men's singles winner was. The Australian Open Tennis 2021 men's singles winner was. Given options: A. Novak Djokovic, B. Rafael Nadal, C. Roger Federer, D. Andre Agassi. The Australian Open 2021 tennis men's singles winner was option A. Novak Djokovic. Moving to question number 13. The Australian Open Tennis 2021 women's singles winner was. The Australian Open 2021 women's singles winner was. Given options: A. Serena Williams, B. Naomi Osaka, C. Simona Halep, D. Sofia Kenin. The Australian Open 2021 women's singles winner was option B. Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka. Moving to question number 14. The Advanced Institute of Integrated Research in Livestock and Animal Science was recently inaugurated at. I repeat, the Advanced Institute of Integrated Research in Livestock and Animal Science was inaugurated at. Given options: A. Udaipur in Rajasthan, B. Nagpur in Maharashtra, C. Salem in Tamil Nadu, D. Kottayam in Kerala. The Advanced Institute of Integrated Research in Livestock and Animal Science was inaugurated at option C. Salem in Tamil Nadu. Moving to question number 15. The number Chennai smart card was issued by. The number Chennai smart card was issued by. Given options: A. State Bank of India, B. Canara Bank, C. Indian Overseas Bank, D. ICICI Bank. The number Chennai smart card was issued by. Given option D is the right one, ICICI Bank. LR Academy for Competitive Exams thanks all its viewers for viewing this post on current events January and February 2021. The supplementary post on current events February and March 2021 follows very shortly within 3 days' time. Dear viewers, kindly press the red button to subscribe our channel. Kindly do extend your support and motivation. Thank you.